Are you tired of dealing with stubborn dandruff?
You're not alone.
Many struggle with this itchy, flaky condition. In this video, we will explore simple, natural remedies. These approaches not only combat dandruff, but also promote scalp health. First, let's understand what dandruff is. Dandruff is a common scalp condition that causes flakes and itchiness. It can be frustrating, but there are solutions. Now let's discuss how to combat it naturally. One effective remedy is tea tree oil. This essential oil has antifungal properties. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil. Then massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing. Another fantastic remedy is apple cider vinegar. Its acidity helps balance your scalp's pH. Mix equal parts vinegar and water. Apply it to your scalp after shampooing and rinse thoroughly. Coconut oil is also beneficial. It moisturizes your scalp and reduces dryness. Warm a bit of coconut oil and massage it in. Leave it for a couple of hours before shampooing. Now let's highlight the importance of diet. A balanced diet can improve scalp health significantly. Include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These nourish your scalp from within. Consider these simple examples. Try using tea tree oil once a week. Combine it with your regular hair care routine. Incorporate apple cider vinegar treatments bi-weekly for a healthy, flake-free scalp. Be consistent with coconut oil applications. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements. To summarize, natural remedies are effective for dandruff. Tea tree oil, apple cider vinegar, and coconut oil truly work wonders. Also remember that a healthy diet plays a crucial role in scalp health. Take action today. Start using these remedies. Your scalp will thank you for it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.